China is developing a network of solar power plants that will transmit energy from space to Earth. The South China Morning Post reports details of the project. Chinese scientists published a document that demonstrates a plan to launch a space power plant in 2028, 2 years ahead of the original date. The program envisions 4 stages, the first involving the launch of a satellite in orbit to test new wireless power transmission technology from an altitude of 400 kilometers. Research shows that the space station will be able to gather energy from the sun and then convert it into laser beams or microwaves to be sent to orbiting satellites or ground receivers. It will be able to generate up to 10 kilowatts of electricity, which is enough to provide for the needs of several families. The beam density can reach 230 watts per square meter, almost like ordinary sunlight. According to the new plan, in 2030, China will send a more powerful device into space, which should transmit energy at a distance of 36,000 kilometers. In 2035, the 10 megawatts plant will send electricity to military and civilian facilities, and by 2050, the capacity will increase to 20 gigawatts, which is comparable to a nuclear power plant, and the cost will decrease. The construction of a space power plant could face huge difficulties. To transmit energy from orbit to Earth in the form of microwaves will require antenna hundreds, if not thousands of meters long. Any effect of the solar wind, gravity, or orbital motion threatens to significantly reduce efficiency and accuracy. In addition, the Chinese will have to find good cooling methods, prepare an extensive orbital infrastructure, many rocket launches will be required, and take care of protection against asteroids, space debris, or enemy attacks. Engineers drew up the first plan in 2014, experts said, and now can accelerate development thanks to recent technological advances and the situation at home and abroad. They have made significant advances in antenna control and have come close to solving several problems. The technology can be improved to significantly reduce the Earth's carbon emissions. Microwaves at 230 watts per square foot are considered safe for humans, but it is unclear how risky it is to be near a receiving ground station. An international space law expert from Beijing told SCMP that solar power plants in space can work more efficiently than on the planet because they can generate power around the clock, but a large network of satellites could cause discomfort for many countries, especially if they can't compete. Powerful microwaves and lasers can interfere with communications equipment or even disable electronics, potentially turning transmitters into energy weapons. Some defense scientists already suggest using solar energy as a weapon of mass destruction or weather control. The expert stressed that so far there are no international laws in the world that would regulate the use of space power plants.